Hola.
Hola.
Welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today is the 23rd of March, it's Saturday, and we're going to do this dice run around the Torretas.
Yeah, the Torretas Dice Run 2024. We've got to go to 7 bars: Bar Marina, Bake N Butty, St James's Gate, Millies Bistro, the Irish Abbey, Izzy's Bar, and we've got to finish at the Oasis before 7 o'clock.
And we started at 2 o'clock, so to get all them bars in that time,
Well,
we're going to do
we've got 5 hours to visit 7 bars. There's a lot of walking though. We've got a lot of walking to do.
And a lot of drinking, because you've got to buy a drink in every bar.
Yeah, you've got to buy a drink in every bar. There's no way around that. You know, you've got
But
to
it
buy
doesn't have to be alcoholic. You could have a cup of tea.
No, I think we'll get some beers. So, we're just going into Bar Marina now, and we'll have our first drink there, and we will throw the dice and see what the score is. 3 dice are thrown at each bar. The person in charge of the bar signs it to check your score. You get your piece of paper, and what are the other rules? All contestants must be at Bar Marina from 1400 hours and reach the final bar Oasis Torreta 3 by 1900 hours. Any contestant arriving later than this will be disqualified.
Ooh.
You may visit the remaining 5 bars in any order you wish. A drink, it doesn't have to be alcoholic, must be, might be spoil it, won't it? Must be purchased in all participating venues. Upon purchasing a drink, you will be given the dice to throw and your score recorded by a member of staff. In the event of a tie, the allocated pot will be divided equally between the tied contestants. There's a prize for the highest score, there's a prize for the lowest score, and if anybody gets a 666,
There's another prize.
there's another prize. So let's crack on.
Yeah.
Come on. Look at this plant here. This one.
It almost looks dead until you get to the top.
It's Bar Marina where we came for Yvonne's birthday.
Nice Sunday lunch, didn't we?
Yeah.
3-course meal.
Thank you. Even on to the next one, eh?
Same, yeah.
Right, let's see what I can do on this.
Thank you. Even on to the next one, eh?
13.
What did you have done that? Yeah.
I got 13.
13.
So anyway, we're on our first drink. We're going to pace ourselves. We're not going to do a wine show today. Because we're like at 7 o'clock. That's my card there, and I scored 13. And Yvonne scored 14. There we go. What time is it? How are we doing for time?
It's 2:45.
2:45. Are we in good time?
Well, for now.
Can you imagine we did all that and we got disqualified for being late? We do all that drinking for nothing. Can you imagine?
Allez, accusez-moi, bien sûr.
Merci, ça me fait plaisir.
Excusez-moi aussi.
Well, there we are at the Irish Abbey. Are we waiting for the dice now?
Just waiting for the dice.
Oh, they know your first one. Here we go. 11. Okay?
Yeah,
That's you started.
that's me. Right, Yvonne, let's see what we can do. Are you doing it that way, are you?
Oops.
No problem.
Eh?
You got 6.
So,
That's all I've got.
now we are on our way to Millies Bar. Right,
So, are you ready?
yeah.
Right.
Yeah, over here, so I can see.
Ooh,
6, 5,
that's
and
this
1.
one.
Oh, that's 12,
This
isn't
one, thank you.
it? Right, okay.
You
we
do
go.
yours. 11. 11.
Ooh. I'm still winning. I'm 3 in front of you.
Are you?
Yeah. Again. Thank you very much.
You're in the lead for the highest score, and I'm in the lead for the lowest score.
Hello! Say hello. Well, we're still sober.
We're not.
I just told my friends about you because I saw the last the Rosa Laguna.
Oh, the Pink Lake.
Yeah.
Last week, yeah.
Sophia.
If you win, I think you will record it so we can look at
Yeah.
the YouTube. Yeah.
Yes.
Good luck.
I don't think
Good luck.
No, even if we don't have to win. We'll still put it on there anyway.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, nice to see you. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, that's not bad, is it? 11. It's more than my last one. What's the state of play now then?
Well, we've just thrown the dice.
What?
We've just thrown the dice.
From the dice, and what have we got?
We've got us beer.
Got us beer.
And you scored 11.
I got 11, and you got.
8. So I'm aiming for a low score.
Yeah, you have to look for a low score now because you've no chance. There's the beers. We got 2 pints of I'm still standing.
Yeah, and we are.
So here we are at Izzy's bar. See you later.
3, 2, 1.
See you later. Good night. Bye. Right, so what is the state of play?
So it's now 5:28. So what, 10-15 minutes to get to Bake N Butty?
Yeah, that should be doable.
Yeah.
10 minutes to get to Bake N Butty.
A quick drink in there. Leave there at 6. Over to Oasis.
So let's have a quick look.
So you're on.
How many? Add them up. Can you do it in your head?
No.
13, 10, that's 23, 34,
45.
45, 56. I'm on 56, that's the year of my birth. And you're on 14, 24, 36, 42, 50.
Yeah.
There you go. You're on 50, I'm on 56. So it's safe to say that I am winning at this point.
Yeah, but what are you winning? Are you winning the high score or am I winning the low score?
Well, it's a personal thing, isn't
Or
it?
are we just in the middle
It's a
and
personal
not winning
thing.
anything?
We're approaching our penultimate venue.
Yeah, it's 20 to 6.
20 to 6.
So we're okay. This is the next to the last bar.
That's the penultimate.
Yeah.
Do you know what that means, penultimate?
Yeah, next to the last.
Next to the last. And we're just making our way down the main street here. Here we are, we're nearly there, we're going across the zebra crossing now. And we're approaching, you can almost see it now, the Bake N Butty, our penultimate venue of the Torreta dice run. Is that right? Did you get that right, dice run?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of activity there.
Oh look, there they are.
Oh, look. Oh, look. They're here. How come they beat us down here?
I don't know. They were running.
What's happening here?
You beat
They're
us.
beating us. Four shots.
Oh, right, okay.
We'll see you down
See you
there.
down there.
Oh, look at this. Hey up. Whoa, we're all in here.
Hi.
Hello. Aye, we're fine. We'll have a couple of San Miguel's.
Oh.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have. Who's first? Well, you go
Shall I
first.
go first?
Yvonne's
I'll go
going
first.
first. Come on.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Take mine away so it don't confuse us, you. Here we go.
Right.
Here we
This
go.
is it.
Here we go.
Oh, eh? Well, that's not bad. Eh?
2 6s and a 3.
That's the biggest score of the day for
Yeah.
us. Very good.
It is, yeah.
Yeah. Let the
If you
master.
can beat that.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh. Oh, rubbish. 8.
Oh, that's a disaster.
Faulty dice.
Hey, we'll have another.
Yeah, thank you.
Here we go.
Oh.
Wow. 8. Absolutely rubbish. Right, Missy.
Your last chance.
That's me done. Me done. Oh, 6 to 14. Oh well, not bad. Not bad. Have you been?
I don't know.
So just hand your sheets over to Duncan.
Unfortunately, due to a technical issue, our mics failed. The reason was thought to be overmodulation of the signal, better known as an over-inebriation of the brain due to excessive amounts of alcohol. Well, that's it. It's all over. The final venue, the Oasis, has been attended by all the players with no disqualifications. Duncan, the dice man, has added all the scores, and the winner is...
Double 6, double 6. Double 6, double 6. Lower score.
56.
Every penny has gone back up. 165.
It was a great day. Great day.
165 euros in total. Anita!
Did you win it?
On that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So, it's a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell. 3, 2, 1, bing! Adios.
Adios.